and there are some of the worst drought conditions Ohio has ever seen. It's from Center 7 weather specialist Nick Dunn has new perspective from a state climatologist who lives right here in the valley.
I think, across much of the Miami Valley, we've either ebbed and flowed into, drought conditions and dry conditions a couple times this summer. Starting back in June, when we had that really stretch of really hot weather and the faucet turned off.
Aaron Wilson says this ongoing heat combined with the lack of rainfall is leading to some pretty big rainfall deficits around the Buckeye State.
And so when we look back over the last 90 days and we start seeing parts of southeast Ohio that are 6 to even 10 inches or more below average since June 1st. Some of those areas like Athens down in the Meigs County having their driest June through August on record, then you're starting to think about some historical significance with this drought.
All right, I want to bring in Nick. We really need some rain here.
Yeah, we really do, James. And in fact, I did some digging. And the last time the drought levels were even close to this, August of 2012. So I went ahead and pulled up the drought monitor from August 7th of 2012. And here's what that looked like. You notice that extreme drought or that red contour just kind of creeping into parts of western Ohio. But let's fast forward to today's drought monitor. You notice a lot more of the Buckeye State in that red extreme drought. And you notice that dark red, that is exceptional drought. And let's talk about the substantial significance of that. And also, before we get there, this is a look at the corn down in Ross County. You see, certainly not very good whatsoever. That's not going to give you a very good yield. So again, this is the first exceptional drought ever recorded in the state of Ohio. It's only 1.3% of the state, but that's very significant because we haven't seen drought conditions of this magnitude in quite a while. Also, at least 16% of the state is in some form of at least extreme or exceptional drought, and that is the most since 2000 when drought tracking began. Here in Dayton, we are more than 2 inches below normal. It can be worse, though, in Columbus is over 7 inches below normal since June 1st. And Chief Meteorologist Austin Cheney will be here to break down how much rain we could see as we look ahead towards tomorrow night and Saturday, and if it's going to put a dent into these rainfall deficits.
All right, Nick, thank you. And